Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my second lesson of D3 chapter number 8 exercise 8D, that is about the cosine law. Students, in this class we will be learning and discussing how to solve the triangle and what's the meaning of the term solution of the triangle. Solution means to find the unknown lengths and angles of triangle. Solution means to find unknown lengths and angles of the triangle. If we look at this question, we can see that in this question we are given with all three lengths, but none of the angles is given. So before moving to the solution, we have to decide that how can we find any one angle of this triangle. In order to find any one angle of the triangle when none of the angles is given, it's important to apply cosine law and find first angle of that triangle. Second angle can be calculated by sine law, and for third angle I will be advising my students not to put yourself in a big trouble. You have learned the basic rule that sum of interior angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. Add up those two given angles and take away the sum from 180 degree. I hope the basic theme of the lesson is clear to all of my students, and this lesson is equally important for O2 students and O3 students. So let's move to the solution of the question. But before moving to the lesson, I just wanted to give one short message to all of my students. I hope you all will be fine and enjoying your winter break in your cozy beds. Enjoy your winter break, but do not forget maths. And as you know, these are the cold days, and in these days due to fog and smog, birds and animals are not finding their food properly. So please, it's my request, humble request to all of my students to please do manage the food for the birds and animals, and try to keep some pot at the top of your roofs, and you can keep some grains over there so that birds can eat food from there. I hope you will be following this instruction. I know you, all of you are my good daughters. Moving to question number 4, and question 4 says that in triangle XYZ, X is 7 meters, Y is 8 meters, and Z is 9 meters. Find the unknown angles. We have to find unknown angles. So let's move to the solution, and let's find any one of the angles in the beginning. Suppose I'm finding angle X by using cosine law. First angle must be calculated with the help of cosine law. So according to cosine law, the equation that I will be writing will take the form x square equals to y square plus z square minus 2 into yz and cos of angle x. Okay, let me reconfirm the values. That x is 7 meters, x is 7 meters, y is 8, and z is 9 meters. Now it's a time to replace the values. X 7 square, y is 8 square, and z is 9 square, minus, this is 2, so let me write it properly, 2 into yz, 8 times 9, and cos x we do not know, 49 equals to 64 plus 81 minus 69 is 144, but let me reconfirm this. 2 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 9, 144, 144, and cos x. Now add up 81 and 64. I'm going really slow because this is also one of the important questions. This is 64 plus 81. This is 145. Okay, now children, please focus your attention. that we cannot solve 145 and 144x. They are not the like terms because 144 is multiplied by cos x and this is 49. Now what we have to do is shift 145 to other side and it will give me 49 minus 145 equals to minus 144 cos x. Okay, 145 minus 49 and this gives me 96. 15 minus 9 is 6 and 13 minus 4 is 9. 96 with negative sign. Be careful about the signs. 144 cos x. Now look, this minus sign can be cancelled easily with this and I'm left with 96 by 144 equals to cos of x, or cos x equals to 96 by 144, or x equals to cos inverse of 96 by 144 and close the bracket. Cos inverse of 96 divided by 144, this gives me 48.189. X equals to 48.18, or angle x, as we have to give our answer nearest to three significant figures, 48.2 degrees. So x is 48.2 degrees. Let me write the value here, 48.2 degrees. And now we have value of one of the angles with us. For the second angle, it is your choice. Either you can go with the cosine law or you can go with sine law. Okay, for the second angle, let it be y. Okay, as this class is the application of cosine law, so in this first question I will be trying to find at least two angles with the help of cosine law. Now in order to find value of angle y, I will be writing the cosine law in this way. Y square equals to okay, look students, if I want to find value of angle y, then I will be keeping length y over here and then rest to x square plus z square minus 2 into x into z and cos of angle y. Okay, y has the value 8 square. 8 square equals to x is 7 square plus z is 9 square minus 2 into 7 into 9 cos of angle y. Now calculation part, 8 square is 64, 49 plus 81 minus 7 2s are 14 multiplied by 9 is 126. Okay, 9 2s are 18, 18 multiplied by 7, 126 cos of y. First of all, add up these two numbers. 64 equals to 9 and 1 10, 8 and 4 12 and 1 30, 49 plus 81, and this gives me 130 minus 126 cos y. Now again be careful, I cannot solve 130 with 126. First shift this 130 to other side. 64 minus 130 equals to minus 126 and cos y. Take away 64 from 130 and this gives me 66. Minus 66 equals to minus 126 cos y. Minus sign will be going with the minus sign and I will left with cos y equals to 66 upon 126, and y equals to cos inverse 66 upon 126. Cos inverse 66 divided by 126, and this gives me 58.41. 58.41 or 4 degrees. Okay, now the second angle is also calculated, that is y, and 58.4. Okay, and now for the third angle z, calculation of angle z. Okay children, what do you want? How we are going to find the value of angle z? As I feel this is the application of cosine law, so in this class I will be finding all of the angles with the help of cosine law. Okay, now for z, how to write the equation for angle z? Z square equals to x square plus y square minus 2 into xc and xy and cos of angle z. Okay, z has the value 9 square, x has the value 7 square, y has the value 8 square minus 2 into 7 multiplied by 8, and cos of angle z. Okay, 9 square is 81, 49 plus 64 minus 2 times 7 times 8. Okay, 8, 16 sevens are 112 cos z. Now what we have to do, we have to add up these two like terms. 49 plus 64, 113 minus 112 cos z. Okay, and equation has the 81 over here. 81 minus 113 equals to minus 112 and cos z. When I'm taking away 81 from 113, I'm left with 3 minus 1 is 2 and 11 minus 8 is 3. 32 equals to minus 112 and cos z, and minus sign goes with minus sign, and cos z will be equal to 32 by 112. 32 divided by 112, or z equals to cos inverse 32 by 112, and cos inverse of 32 divided by 112, and this gives me 73.39. Z equals to 73.39, or approximately z will be equal to 73.4 degrees. 73.4 degrees. 73.4 degrees. Okay, I hope you are clear about this lesson. Let me check whether my angles are correct. We know that the sum of interior angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. So 73.4 plus 58.4 plus 48.2, and this gives me 180 degrees. Sum of interior angles of the triangle that we are getting in this question is adding up to 180 degrees. I hope students, you are really clear about today's class. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.